the historic occasion of the 50th anniversary of the opinion poll, I have resigned as an MLA to join a party that I am sure will take Goa forward. This party will never compromise on Goinkar and Goinkarpan. Who says that there is no regional in Goa anymore? This is completely wrong. The sentiment today is to protect Goinkarpan, and that can only be done from Goa. It cannot be done by wearing a topi. Topi is not the symbol of Goinkarpan. The Aam Aadmi Party supported a candidate which was also supported by the BJP. Now who is whose B team is for the people of Goa to decide. My call to the people of Goa is to do this strategic voting now, because the elections on the 4th of February will be the second opinion poll for the state. Latest Golden Globe म्हणटा तो म्हाका दिसता BJPचे हे इलेक्शनाचे फंडा खातीर नवे ATM हाडिल्ले आहा. म्हज्यान एकूच सांगूं जाता की जे कॅन्डिडेट आमी सांगिल्ले गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टी म्हणून आमी भरतले ते आज आमी चारूय कॅन्डिडेट आमी भरतले आनी भरूंक शकतात आमी. पूण जे कॅन्डिडेट आमचे आसतले हे कॅन्डिडेट गोंयकार आनी गोंयकारपण हो जो मूळ मुद्दो आमचो आहा ताजेर केन्नाच कॉम्प्रोमायज करचे ना. I am saying one thing about the chief ministerial candidate. I have an accusation to make against the AAP that the most corrupt BJP ministers, against them they have fielded the weakest candidates. Check this out. And against the most honest BJP MLA, they have fielded their strongest candidate. Rajan Naik was considered one of the most inactive and as a result less corrupt of the MLAs. ताजे अगेन्स्ट स्ट्रॉंगस्ट कॅन्डिडेट घाला ताणी आनी जितले सगळे व्हडले काडतात चोर म्हणून जे सिद्ध जाल्या तांचे अगेन्स्ट विकस्ट कॅन्डिडेट घाल्या. जे मनीस हू हॅव बीन हेल्ड फॉर लँड ग्रॅब बाय द कोर्ट्स अंडर वेरियस सेक्शन्स ऑफ द IPC, such people, the Aam Aadmi Party, which stands for probity in public life and talks about big things like clean politics, honest politics, तो सगळ्यान बिग कॅन्डिडेट घालताय.
काँग्रेसी कडेन गोवा फॉरवर्डान केला ते खंय अलायन्स न्ही, तो 4 सुवातींचेर सीट एडजस्टमेंट. वेळ पडल्यार गोवा फॉरवर्ड आनीकूय कॅन्डिडेट घालतले.
आमचे अंडरस्टँडींग म्हणूंक जायना ते आमी ते म्हणूं येता सीट एडजस्टमेंट. द न्यू डिस्कोर्स इज सीट एडजस्टमेंट. इट इज नो लॉंगर अलायन्स.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.